A roundabout, also called a traffic circle, road circle, rotary, rotunda, or island, is a circular intersection where road traffic can flow in one direction around a central island. There are several safety benefits of roundabouts. Since traffic flows in one direction, this reduces frequency and severity of crashes, including head-on collisions. Reduces traffic delays and increases traffic capacity. Can slow excessive traffic speeds while still improving traffic flow. Roundabouts do not use stop signs but often use yield signs to notify drivers to yield to approaching vehicles already in the roundabout. Entering a roundabout is much like making a right turn from an intersection. Drivers approaching a roundabout must reduce their speed and yield to approaching vehicles within the roundabout, as well as pedestrians and bicyclists. When clear to enter, drivers in the United States turn into the roundabout to the right, counterclockwise, driving to the right of the center island while proceeding through the roundabout. There are single-lane and multiple-lane roundabouts. Small and large roundabouts. We have a right turn, or first exit. Going straight or second exit. Turning left or third exit. You can also perform a U-turn, which would be the fourth exit. Drivers should also use turn signals to indicate where they will exit the roundabout. Drivers in the US often do not signal, however. And if you see a signal on another vehicle, don't trust which direction you think they are going. Drivers in the roundabout have the right of way. A roundabout, however, is not who arrives first. If you see another vehicle fastly approaching, even though you got there first, that speeding vehicle is probably not slowing down. It's best to carefully stop and yield to be safe. When approaching a multi-lane roundabout, you must choose the left or right lane before entering. Do not overtake other vehicles or bicyclists when in the roundabout. Do not change lanes while in the traffic circle. Never travel next to commercial trucks or large vehicles in a multi-lane roundabout. These vehicles may need extra lanes to maneuver. Roundabouts have proven to be a safer and more efficient alternative to traditional intersections. Extensive research has consistently demonstrated their ability to reduce the number and severity of accidents, making them a vital tool for enhancing road safety. Furthermore, roundabouts encourage drivers to pay closer attention, as they require a more active role in navigating the intersection. This increased driver engagement and reduced reliance on traffic signals result in improved reaction times and better decision-making, mitigating the likelihood of accidents caused by driver error or distraction.